Hey there, cat lovers! Today I'm diving into the mystery behind why Persian cats make those strange, adorable noises. But first, check out the description for some amazing deals on cat furniture and the TabCat Cat Tracker. Trust me, your feline friend will thank you. So, let's unravel this perplexing mystery. Persian cats are known for their distinctive flat faces and luxurious coats, but their vocalizations are just as unique. Ever notice your Persian making a sound that's not quite a meow, but more of a chirp or trill? There's a fascinating reason behind it. Firstly, Persian cats have a slightly different vocal anatomy due to their brachycephalic or flat-faced structure. This affects their vocal cords, leading to those softer, more nasal sounds. It's almost like they're speaking a different dialect of cat language. Secondly, their temperament plays a big role. Persians are generally more laid back and affectionate compared to other breeds. They use these unique sounds to communicate with you, whether they're seeking attention, expressing contentment, or just saying hello. Another interesting point is socialization. Persian cats that are well socialized from a young age tend to be more vocal and expressive. They've learned that these sounds get your attention, and let's be honest, who can resist those adorable chirps? Finally, health can be a factor. Sometimes unusual sounds might indicate respiratory issues common in flat-faced breeds. So, always keep an ear out and consult your vet if you notice anything out of the ordinary. There you have it. The next time your Persian serenades you with those quirky sounds, you'll know exactly why. Don't forget to check out the description for those awesome offers and give your kitty some extra love today. Thanks for watching. And remember, every cat has a story. What's yours?